Hello, how you doing? Have you heard the term CrewAI, but you're not quite sure you know exactly what this is? Well, if so, then watch along with me for the next few minutes and I'll quickly get you up to speed. Okay, let's get started. CrewAI is a Python-based framework for orchestrating autonomous AI agents to work together collaboratively. CrewAI shines in use cases that require collaboration, delegation, and multi-step reasoning. Basically, for any task, where you'd usually rely on a team of people with different roles, CrewAI lets you recreate that setup using AI agents. So here are some key points regarding CrewAI. First, CrewAI is an agent collaboration framework. What do I mean by this? Well, CrewAI lets you create multiple AI agents with specific roles, goals, tools, and responsibilities, and organize them into a structure called a crew. This crew works to complete complex tasks together. Next, CrewAI supports role-based agent design. What exactly is role-based agent design? Well, each agent can be assigned a role, for example, a software coder, a tester, a code reviewer, with clear objectives and tools enabling specialization and coordination. Additionally, CrewAI gives you task and process orchestration. So what exactly is task and process orchestration? Well, tasks are defined and assigned to agents, and CrewAI manages how those tasks are executed. For example, they could be executed sequentially or collaboratively through a process called crews and missions. Next, CrewAI supports tool integration, which means you can equip your agents with external tools. Examples of tools are web searches, API calls, or database queries. These tools expand what the agent can do and help them connect with the outside world. Lastly, CrewAI is LLM agnostic. CrewAI works with different LLMs from companies such as OpenAI, Anthropic, or Mistral, as well as many others. Okay, so as an AI system builder, I know what you're probably thinking. There's already Python frameworks for building LLM-driven systems such as LangChain, LangGraph, or LlamaIndex. So why should I consider a new one like CrewAI? Yeah, that's a good question, but let's step back and think about this in terms of use cases. So consider that CrewAI is really better suited when you're thinking about your use case like a human team. Again, it excels at enabling you to build teams of collaborative agents with distinct roles, tools, and goals that work together like a human team. Alternatively, LangChain focuses on building LLM-driven applications using chains of prompts, tools, memory, and retrieval components. If you see your use case as a linear flow of steps, LangChain might be a better fit for your project. Okay, so what about CrewAI versus LangGraph? Again, if you think of your use case as a team of collaborators, CrewAI philosophically matches up well. Alternatively, LangGraph is designed for LLM graph-like workflow orchestration, meaning it helps you build flows made up of steps called nodes that connect in a graph-like way with loops, branches, or conditions to manage conversation flow or decision-making. If you see your use case in terms of a graph, LangGraph might be a better choice for you. Okay, so what about CrewAI versus LlamaIndex? Well, in this case, CrewAI and LlamaIndex are more likely to work together. Again, CrewAI is well suited to handle agents and workflows, while LlamaIndex is better equipped to handle data access and retrieval. LlamaIndex enables agents to pull relevant information from PDFs, documents, databases, or APIs. So in summary, CrewAI abstracts away the complexity of multi-agent agentic workflows. Basically, for any task where you'd usually rely on a team of people with different roles, CrewAI lets you recreate that setup using AI agents. I'm interested to hear from you on this, so let me know what you think of CrewAI in the comments below. Okay, thanks for watching. This video, along with all the other videos in this playlist, are listed in the YouTube description. I invite you to watch other videos on my channel. If you like the way I'm sharing this content, please consider subscribing. When you subscribe, This really helps my channel grow. One last thing, we all love technology, and we're all excited about all the innovation with the cloud and machine learning AI. But don't forget to carve out some time to live in the real world. Go outside, go swimming, go hiking, go biking, go climbing, go surfing. But get out and move your body. And if you do, let me know in the comments. I want to hear about it. And with that, have a great day. Thanks.